Hola chicos, ¿cómo están? Miss you guys. All right, this is like my first attempt at this, so it's probably going to be pretty basic, but hopefully it helps. Ok, chicos, hablamos de preguntas, preguntas, preguntas. ¿Qué es ups, una pregunta? Una pregunta is a question. All right, so how do we know what question word we're going to put in the blank? And most of the time when you have to figure out like what question word to use, this is going to be the format. They'll give you a question, right? And then they're going to show you the answer. Well, your clue, chicos, is in your answer. Your clue is in your answer. So look there. There's 11 question words, right? 11 question words that are going to be super important right here. All right, some of them are related, like quien, quien. These all have donde in them. So try to think about that and use those as clues to help you. Some other clues to help you are going to be found in the answer to the question. What do I mean? Well, if in the answer to the question you have a person, well then most likely your question word is going to be quien or con quien, right? Because it has to do with a person. If your question, or excuse me, if your answer has a location in it, well then it's probably going to be something like where, right? And so it's going to be donde, a donde, or de donde, right? With the answer having to do with a location. And then if the answer has some sort of time frame in it, right? If the answer has some sort of time frame, then it's going to be more like a question involving when. When does this happen? So, cuando. In this case now, if your answer involves some sort of object, right? Object or activity, a thing, then it's going to be que, what, cuantos, right? How many? And the answer here specifically would be some sort of number or quantity. And then the other one is qual. If you have an explanation, whoopsies, this isn't a word. This is like a Spanish-English hybrid. This should be explanation. All right, so if you have an explanation, it's usually going to be like because, da, 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 da. So then it's going to be why. Or excuse me, yeah, why. A description is going to be something like tall, short, nice, funny, interesting, and that's going to be how. Como eres, what are you like, right? All right, good job. So again, that's super important because you want to look at the answer for your clue. All right, so again, let's practice this. How can we do looking for the clue? All right, so here are possible question words are a donde, de donde, so having to do with location, right? To where, from where. All right, let's check it out. So if the first one says blank estás tú, and the answer says yo estoy en mi casa, that's your clue. In mi casa, right? So that's going to be donde. Where are you? I'm in my house. Okay, the next one, right? Blank vas tú, going you, right? And the answer says yo voy al parque. Well, what do we see right here? A and to a place. So that's going to be to where? Donde? Where are you going? All right, next one. Blank eres tú, are you? Right? And the answer from a place, de, and a place. So that's going to be de donde.